Hello, welcome to another Vertical Attitude video. This time it's all about my awning. So if we're looking here, there's little holes, micro tears I call them, all the way along. All the way along here. Yeah. Even there. So, awning replacement, £500, or I'm going to try some repair tape. So I need to clean this up first and put the tape in. The only thing is the tape's about that wide and some of these holes are beyond that, and obviously you need the tape long enough. So all the way along there. The first job, clean it up. I just got some general cleaner, just kitchen cleaner stuff. No bleach in it at all. So obviously I want the tape to stick. It is a little bit breezy today, but I think we'll be okay. So obviously I can't secure legs down on the drive. So we'll clean it up and we'll see what happens. So it does need a bit of a clean underneath, but if I'm not really happy with these micro tools, I may just decide to replace it anyway. But like I said, it can be up to £500, and you've got to disassemble the unit at the top there, take that end off, and you've got to take this off. This slides out, and then it comes out, fixes on the end over here, pushes in, and then you roll it down and put the new one back in. There is videos online by Fiamma. If I do it myself, I'll do my own video on it. I'm going to try the tape and see how it looks. I'll go from there. Okay, I'm reading the instructions. It says clean the surface with isopong. I presume that's how you pronounce it. Look, had it, I had some down the shed. So I've done that now, so I'm now going to attempt to stick this tape on. Hopefully it'll work. Okay, so I'll put this tape on. It's a bit of a bodged job. As you can see, there's probably, you can see the micro holes still there. I didn't realise there were so many. I'm now thinking I should maybe replace the whole canvas. If the wind gets on under this, these tears will get bigger, and this will just rip apart. So, not truly happy with it, but it's the best I can do as a temporary measure at the moment. I don't want to be all way on holiday and in some foreign land and this goes kaput. So I think I'd sooner fit a new one. So maybe that's what I'm going to do, and if so, you'll see how it's done in another video. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again. Bye.